Every day, people put their lives at risk to perform visual inspections and works at height. These complex inspections at height come with a cost. The Altum is easy and fast to install. It has a portable setup. You can use it up to 24 meters high. You can follow beams, structures, and repetitive features at an intuitive ease. It works in total darkness. It can be used to remove rust scales and hammer the surface. Its camera provides stable and high-quality imaging and video. It can be used in GPS-denied areas with no restriction on inspection time. The Altum. It's a safe, simple, reliable, and cost-effective solution. No other visual inspection technique is more efficient.